Today, I'm showing you how to access Seedance 2, the recently launched video-generating AI model, completely free, without paying a single dollar. Let me show you a few examples first. This is SolvePoint. Subscribe for more free AI tool tutorials. Let's take a look at the video quality. Amazing, right? Seedance 2 can generate genuinely realistic videos. Now, let's walk through exactly how to access it, step by step. Step 1. Set up access for restricted countries. First, keep in mind that this tool isn't available in every country. If that's the case for you, no problem. Here's how to get around it. Go to google.com and search free VPN Chrome extension. Click the first result, then click Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once it's installed, click the extension icon in your toolbar and pin it for easy access. Click the VPN icon, then Continue. You don't need to pay for anything. Just click Continue without a plan. Select the Netherlands server, then turn the VPN on. Step 2. Access the free AI video tool. Next, go to google.com and search for the AI video generation website, or name it in your video. Click the first result to open the site. Log into your account. It'll ask for your date of birth. Enter your details and continue. Once that's done, you'll land on the main interface. Step 3. Generate your first video. Click Create Video. Choose your duration. I'll go with 5 seconds, and select your video ratio. Now type your prompt, describing exactly what you want in as much detail as possible, and hit enter. It'll take a little time to process, so just wait for the video to generate. Once it's done, let's play it back. Genuinely impressive quality for a free tool. Step 4. Generate more videos. Let's generate a second one. Enter a new prompt, select your duration and video size, and hit enter. Done. Take a look at that quality. You can also generate images using the same tool. The quality here is just as strong, and the process is just as simple. Let's try one more video using the same process. Enter your prompt and hit generate. Look at the quality on this one too. And that wraps up today's video. If this helped you create high-quality AI content for free, drop a like and subscribe to SolvePoint. It'll help me keep bringing you valuable tutorials like this.